What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a game pass. First, go to Roblox.com. Second, you're going to want to press create. Then you're going to want to press whatever game you have. And make sure you sign into Roblox Studio, of course. Press on the game you have. Scroll down to monetization. Press passes. Create a pass. Name it. It doesn't matter what name. You don't have to do the description. If you want, you can. Press create pass. Press it again. Press sales. Make sure item for sale and do how much you want it, and then press save change. If this video helped you make a game pass, consider subscribing. I am doing a Roblox giveaway at 50 subscribers, and just comment your username and I'll donate you if you have game passes of like 5 or 10. Thank you for